friends, welcome back to another video. Today's video is quite something, let me tell you. Today is the day I am leaving to go to Italy for the semester for studying abroad. Right now it's about noon. My flight leaves at like 8 something. I have to be, it boards at like 8:15 and it leaves closer to 9, but like 8 something. Although I do have to leave around like 3 or 4 because I live in Philly, but I'm flying out of New York because the flights are just so much cheaper out of New York, like a couple $100s cheaper out of New York versus Philly. So I'm flying out of New York, so I do have to do like a bit of a drive, so we do have to leave a lot earlier than we would have, like a whole hour or two earlier than we would have had to leave. But that's fine. So I still have a couple of hours to finish prepping and getting ready. I'm going to spend a minute explaining the flight situation to you guys. So basically what I'm doing is I'm flying out of Newark Airport and then I am flying to Munich. Then this is the stressful part. I have a layover. It's only an hour, which is not a lot of time. So I will be literally running from my Munich, I will literally be running around the Munich airport from my flight to my next flight. I think it'll all work out. I think it'll be fine though. I think like European airline, like any airline that's not an American airline, it's just run so much more efficiently than American Airlines. So I think like the flights are gonna actually be on time. I don't think I'm gonna experience any delays or anything. So, I mean, hopefully, I don't know. Honestly, I think if there is any delay, I think it's going to be my Munich to Bologna flight, not my Newark to Munich flight, because it's raining in Bologna right now, so I think maybe that one would be delayed. Anyway, so that's the situation. Then I'm arriving in Bologna in Italy at around noon. I think it's 12:30, 12:45 or something is when the flight arrives. Then I am staying in a hotel for a couple of days, and then I will be moving into my apartment, and then classes start the following week for me. So that's a bit of a situation, what it's gonna look like today. I still have a couple of last minute things I need to pack, such as like my last minute toiletries, and like my computer and camera stuff, because I'm using my camera right now, so that's not packed, obviously. Anyway, I'm just gonna go and do that stuff right now. Okay, here we go. I have this really cool new bag I bought on Amazon. It's cute. I'm gonna like wear it in the airport basically, and it's small enough that it will be able to fit in my backpack for when I like get on the flight and like whatever, because I'm not gonna need it, but it'll be really convenient like for walking. It's just like a bag, but look at it. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Oh. It's a special like theft proof bag, so I have it all closed up, but I'll show you. So there's all of these features, but like the main coolest feature is the zippers. So if you see here, the zipper is like locked on to this little loop, so you like have to unclip it, and then you can put your stuff in here, and then you like clip it back on basically. So like it's really difficult to pickpocket you. And it's the same thing on this one too. Is that? There you go. You have to like unclip. It's not easy. And then you can open it. And like I have my wallet in here right now. And then you like zip it back. And then you do that. So no one can steal stuff from you. So it's really cool. So I have to pack that with like my passport, my wallet, my phone, all that stuff. All right, bestie boos. We're gonna do here's my cat. What I'm keeping in my bag. The bag, again, I showed you a little bit. It has this front pocket, this main pocket, and then a smaller back pocket here. So in the front pocket, honestly, I keep my phone. Where is my phone? That's what I've been using that for. It is perfectly phone size, so I think that's perfect, and it's so easy to get to, and if I feel like unsafe, I can lock it, but it is just perfectly accessible to like keep my phone. And then this main pocket here is what's holding the bulk of everything. What's this? Ooh. Oh my god, I literally didn't notice this. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. It has like one of these little like clips so you can clip something, but it also has a little light. That's cool. I didn't notice it had that little light before. I mean, that's cute. I don't really understand the point of it, but it's cute. Oh, I can like attach my wallet to this. Oh, holy crap, that's so smart. So like so they can't steal my wallet. Very smart, very smart. Okay, anyway, the inside, here's what it looks like. It has this main zippered pocket here. So this is probably where I would keep like my passport or something. And then it has these smaller pockets on the side. And then like this one's a pen pocket. I should put a pen in there. I don't know if I'll need one, but like I might. So something else I have, I don't know if I'm gonna bring this, but I have this little pouch, which right now all that's in there is my passport and my vaccine card. Just some like really important things, but I might just go put these in this little pocket right now because that seems like a very nice secure place for those things. They're very nice, very secure in there. I feel confident about that. Then obviously my wallet. This is my wallet. It's super cute, super small, and I can attach it to that, and it just fits very securely in that bag. I have a bunch of masks. I don't know where I'm gonna put these. Oh, I can put these in one of these pockets. Cool. To kind of keep that more organized. I do love how this is pockets because most of my bags don't really have pockets. Oh, I also have this. I'm gonna wear this KN95 on the plane. My flight company, I look so ugly in these. I really do. But my flight company, you have to wear a mask on the plane. AirPods. These fit, oh, those like fit perfectly into one of those little pockets.